Today we will learn how to do subtraction of decimal numbers. So let us look at the steps which we have to follow. The step 1 is we have to write the numbers one below the other and make sure that the decimal points are in vertical line. So we have to write both the numbers one below the other. The second step is subtract as whole numbers. So now we will subtract both the numbers ignoring the decimal point. Third step is bring down the decimal point. After we have done the normal multiplication, we will put the decimal point. Now let us see some examples. Now let us subtract 12.34 minus 5.1. So first step is we have to write the numbers one below the other. So we will write 12.34 minus 5.1. So second is wherever there is number which is missing, we have to put 0. So 5.1, below 4 we do not have any number, so we can add 0 here. And below 1 we do not have any number, so we can add 0 here. Now we will do normal subtraction. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 5 is 7, and here we have 0 because we have done one carry here. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So now we got the answer. Now below the decimal number we will put the decimal number. So this is the answer. 07.24 is the answer. Let us see another example. We have to subtract 0.99 from 8. 8 is a whole number and the second number is a decimal number. So first we will write one below the other. So we will write 8. Here there is no decimal, so we can put a decimal, and here there are two numbers. So we can write here 0, 0 because there is no decimal here. So minus 0.99, so we will write 0.99. Here we have added two zeros because in the second number we had two numbers after the decimal. So we wanted two numbers after the decimal, so we have added here 0, 0. Now we will do normal subtraction. Here we'll do carry. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. And here it is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And here it is 7. So 7 minus 0 is 7. Now we will put the decimal point below the decimal point. So after 7 there is a decimal point here. So we got the answer 7.01. Let us take one more example. We have to subtract 5.6 from 19.76. So first we will write the numbers one below the other. So we have to subtract from 1976, it is a bigger number. So we will write 19.76 minus, here we will write 5.6. So we have written one below the other. Now we will see if there is any number which is left empty. So here below the 6 we do not have any number, so we can add one 0 here. And here below 1 we do not have any number, so we can add here 0. Now second step is we will do normal subtraction. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. So now we have done the normal subtraction. Now we will add the decimal point. So below the decimal point we will add decimal point here. After 1, 4 we will put the decimal. So the answer is 14.16.